Now, to grasp the concept of an array which people struggle with, it basically is just a variable inside a variable. So this may be like in PHP. Uh, oh, I've got caps lock on. Yes, I do. So say var apple equals array. Okay, this is very simple in PHP. In other languages, it may be something like or even in some cases with the brackets at the end. Uh, as you can see, there's some similarity. Now, people see this as some sort of like lecture of assignment of a single entity, when in fact it's an assignment of multiple entities. You got the entity of 1, the entity of 2, the entity of 3, and so forth. However, this here is not a dynamic variable, you want dynamic. So to have dynamic, in PHP what you do is uh, and then you just add your value. It'd be something like 6. So now this will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in Apple on PHP. Whereas in JavaScript it will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not sure if that's valid JavaScript, as my JavaScript is a bit rustic, but I do know that this assignment section right here is valid, along with the ending that. Also, another way you can have dynamic variables is basically just a for loop, for example. Say you want to, for uh, uh, how does that work? So yeah, that's another way you can do it. In addition to this, inner keys here, you can have key to value. You'd have to have their assignment. And that's pretty much it. So just to go over this one last time, uh, basically, let's see assigns variables to Apple in the var variable, or the array Apple in a var variable. This is essentially a one-dimensional array, which then becomes a multi-dimensional array, which is kind of useless because it's not dynamic. Same with the JavaScript version. Then we can amend to it, making it a dynamic array. Dynamic arrays include the two following formats. There is essentially, basically, like when you need to amend an array, you add to the very end of it. You notice that you always add to the very end of the array. You don't add to the beginning or the middle. There may be some languages where you can add to the beginning, but you never add to the middle. But there's specialized vectors in general instance that you add to the beginning. And Java's version of adding to array, they don't call them arrays as such, they call them lists. So it'd be something along the lines of or for integers, what you do is you change this to integer. And that's pretty much it. And this last bit here is like PHP looping through the list pair and doing the exact same thing as what the first line here and this line here did. So yeah, that's all there is, and hope you enjoyed the tutorial.